Hello my friends and welcome to Will You Press the Button? Yeah, my first experience in English videos, to make English videos. And today we will play Will You Press That Button? And I think I will press a button very often. And this game is basically you have a good thing and a bad thing. And you can decide if you want that or maybe don't want that. Well, let's see. You will never have to cut your hair again. Everything you say, a song. Well, I like it long hair. I like long hair on my hair. I really like it. I had long hair for a long time. But, no. I don't want that anymore. Oh, 46% did not. You have, next, I will a bad thing. What will happen? You no longer need to sleep. Oh, I don't want to sleep. But you breathe manually and forgetting to breathe. Yet the same effect holding your breath would. Okay, I have never to sleep again, so I'm awake the most of the time and can control my breath. But forgetting my breath is deadly to me. Well, that sounds not that good, actually. So I think I don't want to. Sorry. Oh, 76% did not. Okay, something good this time. Okay, you can materialize anything you want just by imagine it. Okay, imagine. But you have to press the button to every question posted here, regardless of the downside, and accept it. Oh no. Something really bad could happen, and I don't want that. Or something good could happen. But I don't know. I think it's maybe. I think positive. I think something good will happen. So I press the button, and 45% did also. Okay, let's see some bad things next. You can draw anything that comes to mind perfectly with no flaws. Oh, I wish I had that power. But you lose all creativity, money, and must live off a commission money. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Oh, I don't want that. I mean, you can draw anything without creativity. Yeah, okay, you don't need money at all, but you can draw anything, but without creativity you can draw nothing because you can't imagine anything. So I think I don't want that. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Pretty much what I think. The most people don't want that. Oh, this is an interesting question. You got to have sex with David Bowie. Who the fuck is David Bowie? There's no downside. Have fun, kids. Well, I don't want that. Who is David Bowie? Well, here's a picture of him. This is the man. I don't have to. I don't have to see this. I cut it in, of course, and I will. No, I don't think so. Yeah, the most did not do that. Who's David Bowie? This was the question in the comment section below. Okay, you become immortal. Oh, immortal is a good and a bad thing. You have to spend the next 50,000 years of your life stuck inside a solid rock. Well, that's a fucking long time. Well, could I sleep in this rock? And am I feeling the 50,000 years, or is it more like sleeping? More like you lay in the rock, but actually you don't realize it. You know, when you sleep, you don't realize that you sleep. You just sleep. It's pretty hard to speak English because I never made an English video before, and the words don't come to me often. You sleep, and you don't feel that you sleep. You wake at the next morning, and 8 hours passed, and you don't feel it. That's so no. I won't be immortal at all. Okay, let's be immortal. And 86% did also. Very good. I'm a very good man. Okay, 1,000 people will never meet die. Was? Will never meet die? Should it be pronounced never meet death? I don't know. One of your closest friends is saved from death. Never meet die? One of your closest friends is saved from death. Well, I don't know. Well, let's press the button. 40% did not press the button, and 60% have pressed the button. I don't see this Zahl. We call it so in German. This number. How could I forget number? I don't know. No comments to this question. Well, this is interesting. Okay, next question, please. You will meet the love of your life. Oh, this is so good. They will be in love and loyal with someone else. Well, this is fucking pretty bad. I don't want that. 20% pressed the button and 80% did not. I think this is pretty clear. So, you get to be at a moment. You get to be with the person of your dreams. It's the same. It's the same from the last question. You have to survive 5 years on an island by yourself. Well, what island? I mean, there are many things a human could kill. Nicht beziehungsweise. It's an English video. I can't speak German in an English video. Some things can kill you. Snakes, scorpions, the hunger, What is Durst auf Englisch? I don't know. You have no water that you can drink. Maybe on some islands. I have to know what an island, so no. I don't want that. And 41 people didn't want that. Okay. I never dream. Okay. The comments are actually pretty amusing sometimes. But yeah. Okay, what's the next question? Oh, that's a long one. You have a box full of cutest puppies you can imagine. They never get older, never get sick, and never die. You can never have kids, no adoption, no surrogates. You will never have any children. Well, I think many people like puppies and like animals at all. But children? Well, children can be assholes sometime. Puppies can also be assholes. I think I don't want that. I want children someday. So no puppies for me. I am fine with my cat. 50-50. Whoa, that is never wanted kids. Yeah, some people don't want kids, but I want. And I have a cat. This is cool. Oh, that's nice. Pokemon became real. You can never own one. Oh no. That's not good. I want a Pokemon if they become real. But I never have. But for the other ones on the earth, for the other humans, they can have Pokemon. I can't have one. But I can study them. I will become Professor Oak. Yes, I pressed the button. And many people pressed that button. Yeah. I gave you Pokemon Earth. Haha. Okay, a long one again. You loot the... Oh god. Oh god. This is so German. You lead the human race into the new golden age, ending world hunger, stopping out human conflict, and bringing forth free energy. You are remembered forever as the hero of the human race. All your friends, loved one, and children will die in a painful, slow death 1 year after meeting you, and you can no longer enjoy your hobbies. Well, that sounds horrible for me, but it's pretty good for the rest of the earth. So I would say, okay, I'm thinking that it's okay. For the rest of the earth is it's fine, and I have to suffer from this. It's no problem. I would do that. The earth is more important than a single life or life of others. The greater good is important, and the most people think that. You gain the ability to teleport yourself by concentrating on wherever you want to go. Okay, let's try that. Wait. It doesn't work. You need to do complex physicals and geometric calculations to end up where you want to. Errors can result in a seriously injurious loss of limbs and or a gruesome death. Oh hell no, I can't do that. I can't do that. Oh, some people want to do that. Also, do that actually. But no. Okay, next question. You gain the ability to manipulate time as you wish. Oh, I want that! Manipulating time is so amazing! Everyone you love dies. Oh, I don't love many people. I don't have love. Everyone you love. It's everyone? Every human being? Or every being? I love my cat and don't want that my cat dies. But I think this everyone means every human being, so that's fine with me. I mean, I can manipulate time. Time manipulate is very awesome. And 70% did not do this, and 30%. Oh my god, 30% did do that. I'm a very bad person, but I can manipulate time. This is amazing. Okay, bad question. Next. You can control the sun and the moon at will without moving time. What? Without moving? But I want to move time. You lose your sanity a little more every time you do. Well, I could do that sometimes and will still be fine until I die. I mean, but before I die, I will crushing the moon into the sun and disaster to the earth, yes. And then I die, and every people on earth dies too. Well, that's my dream. I pushed that button. And hey! Oh, many people did not do that, but I did. I'm a very bad person, you know. You become the physical embodiment of death. Oh, I'm becoming death, actually. You can kill anyone you want with no consequences. Well, why should I want that? Everything and anything you touch will die. Okay, I will not do that. I don't want to bring death. No. Well, sometimes, maybe, but not this one. Yes, 96% did not, and they are good humans. You have the ability to jump from one body to another, taking another person's life in your hands. Oh, that will be so amazing. You can't jump back to bodies you have been in before. Well, who won't jump in a body who are you be before? You could do anything with the body you are in and simply say, no, I don't want this anymore, so you go to the next body. And you have done everything you wanted. I mean, you can take control on a body who owns a person you don't like. That makes no sense in English. And you can go on a bridge and jump, and before you hit the water or the ground, you can jump in another person, and the person you are hating dies, and you will be so evil and that would be the dream of Trevor from GTA 5. I think that will be his dream and my dream too. Ja doch, ist schon ein bisschen jammern gewesen. Well, we should speak English for the rest of the time. So we do some questions. Destruction of patriarchy, end of human race. I don't want to end the human race at all. No, sir. Not many people did push that button. You will save the world from certain destruction. You will die. Your name and history will be erased. Nobody will remember you or know what you that you saved them. Well, I saved the Earth from one destruction. Is that what certain means? Or means certain all destructions Earth ever... You know what I mean? I don't know, but I would give my life and my name and everything for the Earth. I mean, I'm a good person. At all, sometimes. But sometimes I'm not. And the money people then are good persons. Okay, what's next? Gay marriage is legal. Of course. Republicans protests by banning bacon from all stores. Oh, I don't like bacon, so that's no problem. Yeah, 55% to do this. 55% of the human race are good people. Very good. So, some good things left. You get to choose 5 shows and their fan bases to wipe off the face of the earth. Okay. Your favorite show is now the most hated show in the extinct... No. No, I don't want that. So, the last question is... You became Superman! None know it's you. Well, that's exactly what Superman wants. I think. He obviously is Clark Kent. Everyone knows that. I mean, everyone knows who Batman is.
I'm Batman.
And he don't want to. I mean, he want to be Superman, but no one should know who he is because his beloved ones are in danger. If anyone finds out who he is, that's exactly what it means. And I want to become Superman. Superman is extremely awesome. He has awesome powers. I can save many people and do whatever I want. Maybe some bad things, maybe some good things, or a little bit of both. And I will press that button. Yes. And many people pressed that button. Very, very much people. So, and this is the end of my first English video and of Will You Press the Button. If you want more to see of this little game, you can play it by yourself. The link is in the description. Just scroll down a bit and you will find it. Leave a like if you want to. And yes, this was my first English video. I hope you liked it. Write it down in the comments. I know my English isn't that bad. Yeah, it isn't that good, I mean. And yeah, maybe some more English videos will follow, but I don't know. Maybe later, alligator, and goodbye.